Think your selfies never look good? Blurry shots, blinking faces, or photo bombers ruining your perfect group photo? Well, Huawei says those days are over and that this Nova 14 Pro is the smartest selfie phone of 2025. Today, we're putting the Huawei Nova 14 Pro, the king of AI selfies, against Apple's latest iPhone 17 to see how it compares in real-world use. From front camera performance to AI features, charging speeds, displays, and more. Which of these two phones are really smarter? Let's get into it. Both phones look and feel premium, but the Nova 14 Pro leans more fashion-forward while the iPhone 17 keeps its classic minimalism. The Nova 14 Pro features a 6.78-inch 1.5K quad-curved LTPO OLED display with an adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, which can come in handy for battery life preservation. Its rear is highlighted by the Star Orbit ring design, which is the code name for the phone's rear camera housing, and pretty much retains the dimensions from its predecessor. Inspired by natural symmetry, the ice crystal texture finish found with this crystal blue colorway gives off a subtle shimmer as light hits it, and users get similar treatment with the white color as well. It's also 7.78mm thin and weighs 208 grams with an IP65 dust and water resistance rating. It even earned SGS 5-star drop resistance certification thanks to reinforced edges and corners designed to absorb impact, a detail users will appreciate in case of those accidental drops. In comparison, the iPhone 17 has a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with the same 1 to 120Hz LTPO refresh rate. It's slightly thinner at 8mm and lighter at 189 grams with an IP68 water resistance rating, which means the iPhone 17 is certified to withstand water submersion of up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. Without too much dilly-dallying, for media consumption, well, both devices' displays can play back high-resolution videos in HDR natively, whether stored locally or from your favorite streaming platform. Which also means both displays are Widevine Level 1 certified. With both offering smooth displays and great durability, design preference will really depend on the end user's taste. The Nova 14 Pro shines for its elegant curves and shimmer, while the iPhone 17 sticks to their tried and tested industrial minimalism. So for design and display, we're calling it a tie. Next up, here's where the Nova 14 Pro flexes its title as the king of AI selfies. It sports a 50-megapixel ultra-portrait autofocus camera paired with an 8-megapixel close-up portrait camera, making it the industry's first 0.8 to 5x selfie camera. This setup captures everything from detailed close-ups to ultra-wide group selfies without distortion. Features like ultra-speed snapshot use dual shutter exposure to freeze motion, perfect for active shots or pets. And when we notice subjects blinking or not looking at the camera in the final image, we can hop into the photo editor to use AI Best Expression to select the best frame where everyone's smiling and has their eyes open. In portrait mode, we also get AI beauty effects with 3 modes: natural, delicate, and stylish, and real-time lighting adjustments for consistent skin tones. By contrast, the iPhone 17's 18-megapixel ultra-wide front camera performs well, but lacks the telephoto range, advanced AI retouching, or multi-expression capture. One advantage this phone has over Huawei's is that new square sensor that allows the user to get a horizontal-oriented photo without having to physically rotate the phone. In group selfies and action shots, in our opinion, the Nova 14 Pro consistently gets the best results with less effort. Moving over to their rear cameras, the Nova 14 Pro's Ultra Chroma camera system brings flagship-level imaging to the premium mid-range segment. You're getting a 50-megapixel RYYB sensor with a variable aperture that we can physically see change between f1.4 to f4, a 12-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical and 30x digital zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide that doubles as a macro sensor with a 2cm minimum focal distance. It even features 1.5 million spectral channels for improved color accuracy and a new adaptive dual flash, as you can see here, top and bottom. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 sticks to its reliable 48 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra-wide, which is also capable of macro photos. Let's check out some samples. In side-by-side tests, Huawei's Ultra Chroma system produces richer neon tones, better skin balance, and arguably more dynamic low-light detail. Another interesting thing to note is the Nova 14 Pro likes to first show us what the image we shot looks like without its processing when initially previewing the image. In that instance, we initially felt that the iPhone 17 was the better camera system, but once Huawei's post-processing dials in, it really gets more competitive. So for us, we do think that the Nova 14 Pro produces more vibrant and HDR-like quality images compared to the iPhone 17's more warm-looking photos. They both look good, but we think overall quality comes down to user preference. But with that said, the Nova 14 Pro closes this segment for telephoto shots, or photos of subjects taken from afar. Apple does well enough to somewhat keep up with their digital zooms, but side by side with Huawei's optical zooms, there's definitely a clear winner. So in short, we'll be giving the rear camera win to the Huawei Nova 14 Pro 2, thanks to that optical telephoto sensor. The Nova 14 Pro pushes its AI smart experience beyond photography. Features like AI Remove lets us erase photo bombers or unwanted objects in one tap, while AI gesture control allows us to scroll or take screenshots without touching the screen, which can come in handy for when our hands are wet or oily. The phone also adds AI messaging and AI Translate, making the device smarter and more convenient for daily use. The iPhone 17's AI capabilities mostly center around Siri shortcuts and generative editing tools, so for this segment, Huawei's Nova 14 Pro clearly takes the AI crown. For battery, the Nova 14 Pro comes with a 5,500 mAh battery, which is noticeably larger than the iPhone's 3,692 mAh. It supports 100-watt Huawei Supercharged Turbo, which can fully charge the phone in about 38 minutes, and includes AI charging control to preserve battery health. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 supports 45 watts of wired fast charging, with no charger included in the box. Its wired charging speed allowed us to reach 50% in around 20 minutes. Now, because we can't run PCMark on iOS, we ran our age-old video loop test where the parameters entail playing a full HD movie with the device set to airplane mode, 50% brightness, and volume muted to account for mixed usage variables.
The Nova 14 Pro lasts 40 hours and 33 minutes, while the iPhone lasted 38 hours. So if wireless charging is a must-have for you, well, only one of these phones have that feature. But if you're after the faster wired charging speeds and longer battery life,
the Nova 14 Pro is the clear pick. Alright, wrapping this video up, after several weeks of use, it's clear that the Huawei Nova 14 Pro really earns its title as the king of AI selfies in this matchup. It delivers smarter photography features, faster charging, and better integrated AI tools, making it not just a capable mid-range device, but an actual basic flagship challenger. Against the iPhone 17, it proves that innovation doesn't have to come with a premium price tag. From AI portrait selfies to ultra chroma camera true-to-life colors, which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Huawei Nova 14 Pro versus the iPhone 17 over here. And I'm Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.